Hello everyone! Welcome back to Story Time with Hajira. Today we are reading Sesame Street, Twas the night before Christmas on Sesame Street. So, let's get started. Twas the night before Christmas when all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a grouch. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care, in hopes that Saint Nicholas soon would be there. Cookie Monster was nestled all snug in his bed, while visions of cookies danced in his head. When out on the street there arose such a clatter, he sprang from the bed to see what was the matter. And what to his wondering eyes should appear but a miniature sleigh and 8 tiny reindeer. "Santa!" he cried. "Me think this is great, but me wish me not eat what was on Santa's plate." "Oh no!" Cookie shouted. "What should me do?" He must make more cookies for Santa, he knew. So he flew to the kitchen, this time not to eat, but to make sure he left his friend Santa a treat. There was so much to do and no time to waste, and Cookie was worried by all that he faced. If only he had an elf helper or two, then there would be nothing that he couldn't do. Then, the very next moment, Cookie heard a strange sound. "Santa?" he thought as he turned right around. Not Santa, but better. 'Twas all of his friends. "We can help," Elmo said, "from now till the end." Elmo started to mix, then measure and splatter. And though Bert was the baker, Ernie tasted some batter. The clock ticked away, and when the bell sounded, they opened the oven, pleased and astounded. The Count frosted cookies, then counted each one. And Abby got all of the sprinkling done. "Hooray!" Cookie cried. His plate filled to the brim. Now Santa had treats that were ready for him. And then, in a twinkling, they heard on the roof the prancing and pawing of each reindeer hoof. They set out the cookies, and as they turned round, down the chimney, Saint Nicholas came with a bound. His eyes, how they twinkled! His dimples, how merry! His cheeks were like roses, his nose like a cherry. He had a broad face and a little round belly that shook when he laughed like a bowl full of jelly. He spoke not a word, but went straight to his work and filled all the stockings, then turned with a jerk. The cookies! He saw them right next to the tree. "Oh boy!" Cookie whispered. "Me sure hope he's hungry." Santa took a big bite and then smiled so wide that our dear Cookie Monster was beaming with pride. "We did it!" he whispered and hugged all his friends. "Me thank you again and again and again." And now, all the friends were as pleased as could be. Santa ate not just one cookie, but 3. Then laying his finger aside of his nose and giving a nod up the chimney he rose. He sprang to his sleigh, to his team gave a whistle, and away they all flew like the down of a thistle. But they heard him exclaim as he drove out of sight, "Merry Christmas, Sesame Street, and to all a good night."